Gardening is more than just a hobby. It's a powerful way to connect with nature and contribute to a healthier planet. When I think about eco-friendly gardening, I envision a vibrant space filled with life, where every plant plays a role in supporting our ecosystem. It's about creating a sanctuary not just for ourselves, but for the countless creatures that share our environment. One of the simplest yet most impactful steps we can take is to choose native plants. These plants are adapted to our local climate and soil conditions, requiring less water and fewer resources. They attract pollinators like bees and butterflies, which are crucial for our food supply. Imagine a garden buzzing with life, where every flower is a beacon for these essential insects. It's a win-win. You get a beautiful garden, and you help sustain local wildlife. Another key aspect of eco-friendly gardening is composting. Instead of tossing kitchen scraps into the trash, I turn them into nutrient-rich compost. It's like giving back to the earth. I collect vegetable peels, coffee grounds, and even yard waste, and watch as they transform into dark, crumbly gold. This compost enriches my soil, reducing the need for chemical fertilizers that can harm the environment. Plus, it's a great way to reduce waste. It feels good to know that I'm closing the loop on my food cycle. Water conservation is also vital. I've installed a rain barrel to collect runoff from my roof. This simple addition allows me to water my garden with rainwater, which is not only free but also better for my plants. Rainwater is naturally soft and free of the chemicals found in tap water. I also practice drip irrigation, which delivers water directly to the roots, minimizing evaporation and runoff. Every drop counts, and these methods help me use water wisely. Pest management can be a challenge, but I've found that nature has its own solutions. I encourage beneficial insects like ladybugs and lacewings to take up residence in my garden. They feast on pests that threaten my plants, reducing the need for harmful pesticides. I also plant companion plants, like marigolds, which naturally repel certain insects. It's amazing how a little planting can create a balanced ecosystem right in my backyard. And let's not forget about the power of mulch. A thick layer of organic mulch not only suppresses weeds, but also retains moisture in the soil. As it breaks down, it adds nutrients back into the earth. It's like giving my garden a cozy blanket that nourishes it while keeping it healthy. By embracing eco-friendly gardening practices, I'm not just cultivating a beautiful space, I'm making a positive impact on the planet. Every seed I plant, every compost pile I create, and every drop of rainwater I collect contributes to a healthier environment. It's a small effort that leads to significant change. So, let's dig in and make our gardens a part of the solution. Together, we can save the earth one garden at a time.